Hello, brothers and sisters. Welcome back again to another video. And I hope all of you guys are having a very beautiful day today. Hopefully, you guys are just shining it, sharing your heart fully, fearlessly, with courage, just owning your life, owning your experience, being fully present here, fully conscious, fully your true self, and empowered so that you're out there just crushing it, just out there making the best out of this experience that is your life, and letting your life actually be here, real, like actually you are alive, and you are alive. So as you are alive, you come to life. And just so much love to you guys. I love making these videos because it makes me feel like we um, just expand and connect our hearts to one another. And it's the symbiotic relationship that I'm able to have with people not here with me. So it's just a very good experience for me. And I love you guys. So in this video, I wanted to just speak on how to actually boost your immune system. See, with especially nowadays with everything going on, it's like, why aren't we focused on actually making our immune system strong? Why isn't that the priority? Like literally right now, above all things, should be boosting your immune system, boosting your health, boosting your aura, boosting your magnetic field, your electric light, spirit, body on. Right now, see, this whole thing with these virus, what it really is it's a spiritual symptom going on. It is showing us that we are disconnected from our hearts. And as we are disconnected from our hearts and our true self, we obviously drop in lower consciousness, we drop in vibration. Therefore, our bodies are able to now be infected with viruses because they're not as strong. Their DNA is not held with integrity. The aura of your body isn't strong enough to fight off any type of new virus, because, well, if your mind isn't right and your spirit isn't right, it's going to be very easy for your body to be weak. It's going to be very easy for your body and your immune system to fall ill, because you aren't charged. You aren't charged with the cosmic energy. You aren't charged with your vibrant, high DNA activated just energy. You aren't connected to source, because we are playing out these personality ego roles in this world. So so how you truly boost your immune system is by letting your thoughts go, by disconnecting yourself from your mind, disconnecting yourself from, and I don't mean, it's funny because when I say that to people, disconnecting yourself from your mind, people think like, what, you're gonna go like, you're not gonna think for yourself, and you're gonna go like like turn into a vegetable. And it's no, it's actually the opposite. It's like people been using their ego mind to refer themselves to critical think, and refer themselves to supposedly be intelligent, but there's no intelligence there. Of course there's a limited amount of intelligence, as far as like we've been able to create this camera and computer and these sorts of technologies. So we're intelligent enough to make small technologies that kinda make our life better. And they do, transportation, that's obviously a good one, and these are good. Don't get me wrong, I'm not against technology. I'm just saying that you are the highest, most high-tech thing there could ever be. your body, your consciousness is the ultimate technology, the highest technology. And there's, you can even say there's other, you know, community of life in the different star system that might be even more physically, technologically advanced than us. But that's something else, because we don't know that, like, we're not there interacting with them. Some people, you know might know that to be true, but that's their experience. Our experience is what we're talking about right now: boosting our immunity, connecting to heart, connecting to the mind of God, letting God's will flow through you, and you will immediately boost your immune system. The only reason our immune system is weak is because our mind has been fragile. We've been, living from a state of awareness that is very limited. So we ourselves don't know what is health. We ourselves don't know what it is to have a strong immune system, compared to the possibilities of, the prime creator and the main creator's intention, not in our own, human intelligence of what we read in history that we really don't even know. And we're still discovering, like, new things that work with our body and physics and etc., like the actual collective conscience is barely figuring things out still. But what I'm speaking about is your super intelligence, your super consciousness. That is the, you can say it's God. It's God's, source. It's our Heavenly Father, and our cosmic mother, and our spirit of divine nature, that is just pure awareness, pure love. You align with that. You let go of your ego, you let go of your mind, you let go of your personality traits. You embody the state of being one with God, and truly you awaken. Everything just opens up. You have an aha moment, and you're like dropped into your heart, dropped into presence, pushed into life. And then it's like you understand, and all of a sudden it's like you have to experience it. It's like, I know it's hard to try to convey these states and everything I'm going through when you're not there. It's like the mind is still trying to analyze what I'm saying, but I'm trying to say to not analyze with the mind. So it's a very interesting situation we have here in this human experience. But everybody's getting it, and I know your heart's getting it, because even if you still haven't cleared your mind and you still have some things you're working out, your heart is still guiding you. Even your mind is working against its own self, because it's saying like it led you to these videos to self-improve, and other spiritual people, and starting to meditate, and starting to like buy crystals, and be conscious, and all of this. So in short, connecting to your heart, connecting to being present, pure conscience, distant from your body. You're not your thoughts, you're not your emotions, you're none of that. You're the pure awareness, and the pure awareness that's behind, that sees everything. That stay there, in that state of being, because in that state of being you're still here, conscious. You're still able to interact in the mundane, practical things sometimes that we have to do to survive, but you're not so like lost in it. You're not lost in the step by step. I gotta go to work, I gotta go eat, I gotta do this. You're not lost in your mind doing it. You're actually just like nonchalant doing it, living, mastering yourself, conquering your fears. And it's you realize that there was really no fears there. It was just the mind projecting things into yourself that you kept identifying with. You kept subscribing to the mind. But I'm here to tell you, it's all just it is a catalyst, and it is like the backdrop to our consciousness, so that our consciousness could experience itself. It's that simple. And I love you guys. I love you guys so much. Just sharing so much love. Let's boost our immune system. Let's eat healthy, vibrant, living foods. Don't go with all that like processed and, super like diluted and, drained out, nourished foods that in the end you're just eating empty calories. Just eat good, exercise. Like what I do is like I stretch, I work out, I meditate a lot, I do some more stretching. I keep myself so active in the physical, just because I need to be able to express that energy and let that energy filter through me, let God's will and it's like we're literally batteries fully charged, so it's like you're like literally like a kid that's always just running around with so much energy, because you're just connected to the ultimate energy. So and it's not all about just connected to energy and being all like, ooh, so I got so much energy. No, it's just about like health. It's about vibrant health, that you are in a very high vibration but still grounded, still very here in this physical body, physical reality, and here making it happen, here owning your true self in the dark. Here truly manifesting everything that you are. So I love you guys again. Namaste. Peace and love always be with you. Amitabha. Namaste again. Love you guys.